Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Aerogarden Harvest Elite. For a desk garden, you'll love the Aerogarden Harvest Elite. The high-performance 20-watt LED light provides full-spectrum rays for growing a wide range of herbs and veggies. We're talking mint, basil, parsley, thyme, rosemary, sage, and dill. With a sleek design and an LCD control panel, it looks almost like a high-end countertop kitchen appliance. The Harvest Elite comes in light green, white, black, or a stainless steel finish. At just 11 by 4.61 by 15 inches, it's the perfect size for a tiny desk garden. The kit also includes seeds for 6 different herbs, and because they grow in water, you can get started right away. Plants grow bigger and generate bountiful harvests because of our full-spectrum LED grow lights. Our lighting systems are developed for maximum energy efficiency and cost just pennies a day to operate. Save yourself the hassle and mess of growing indoors with soil. You'll use less water and your plants will grow faster, getting everything they need from the water and plant food in your Aerogarden. Our second best light for growing plants indoors is roladro LED Full Spectrum Grow Light. The best overall option is the roladro LED Grow Light. This helps promote growth and allows even the most delicate tropical plants and flowers not only to grow but bloom year-round. You can also grow seasonal vegetables and herbs in the winter, spring, summer, or fall. This 75-watt grow light also has an aluminum cooling plate to effectively dissipate heat, even on the highest setting. It comes with hanging brackets that you can hang just about anywhere in your home, making it a great option if you have lots of plants you want to cover. Unique 60-degree optical lens and unique chips design bring higher par value and lumen output than others and are much brighter and efficient than other chip LEDs. Effectively reduce light loss and ensure the utilization of light up to 98%. That makes this growing light achieve the balance between efficient utilization and energy saving. The shell of bulbs was made of aeronautical aluminum, which is one of the best thermal conductive material. And the unique heatsink design increases the heat dissipation area. Plus a small heat sinks for each chip to achieve excellent heat dissipation, which can prolong the life of the grow light. Third pick in our list is Soltec Solutions Grow Light. The Soltec Solutions Grow Light is an aesthetically pleasing hanging lamp. It has a 15-foot fabric cord and comes with an LED bulb, 3 ceiling hooks, 2 wall fair leads, and a swag hook. Choose from either white or black colors, both of which offer a chic, minimalist vibe. Not all light is created equal. The Aspect is a first-of-its-kind luxury LED grow light designed to beautifully display plants while promoting both plant growth and flowering. The Aspect is more than just a pretty face, allowing you to grow thousands of varieties of plants, from saffron or coffee to paper white birch. The choice is yours. So pick your favorite plant. Now grow it. The Aspect wasn't born overnight. From countless NASA studies years ago to the absolute latest horticulture research, this light has considered it all. The Aspect is a pendant light featuring a 15 feet long vintage style fabric cord. The Aspect plugs into any wall outlet. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Torchstar Kitchen and Herb Plant Grow Light. The best option for herbs is from Torchstar. With full spectrum solar simulation, the LED plant kit provides both the right lighting and a container for growing herbs indoors. Mimicking natural sunlight, It illuminates for 16 hours a day and then turns off for 8 hours at night. This herb grow light is the perfect size to place on your windowsill, desk, kitchen counter, mantle, dresser, or side table. And it has a sleek minimalist look that won't take away from your herbs. The wooden frame can be assembling as easy as toy bricks, and its elegant white color is suitable for any decoration style. Placing in the kitchen to plant fast ripening greens increase the pleasure of your home life. Smart timer dedicated to serving your plants with the best light and best time, and provide optimized growing environments. No needs for screws, easy to install. Durable plastic material won't be affected by water, keep its elegant appearance. UL listed power adapter for safety. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best light for growing plants indoors list is Fade Electric Dual Full LED Plant Grow Tube Light. This grow light is lightweight, durable, and easy to install. It arrives fully assembled and can be hung or mounted flush against your ceiling or walls. Designed to mimic natural sunlight and work as a replacement for traditional greenhouse bulbs, this product delivers. It emits 450 nanometers of blue light and 655 nanometers of red light, a combination that has very promising results for plant growth. Fade electric bulbs can turn a house into a home, make an unsafe area feel more secure, and navigating your way back to bed a lot easier. This LED product portfolio includes a full line of energy-efficient LED bulbs, retrofit kits. Fade Electric also manufactures energy-efficient LED luminaires including ultra-slim edge lit ceiling fixtures, lightweight utility shop lights, and weatherproof outdoor LED fixtures. Plant types are generally categorized into high or low light level plants. The par value of a plant light equates to the amount of light energy that the plant can absorb. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.